digital assets, building digital assets, I should say, remains one of the best ways to create not just generational wealth, but to start having residual income. And I should let you know, it is not going to be a sprint, rather it is a marathon, and that is why you have to have the right mindset. It's Lookman Branding. If you have not already done so, well, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell button so you can be informed when next I drop another content. And of course, do not forget to give me some like. In this video, I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways to start building your digital assets. If you don't understand what that means, well, all you have to do is to hang with me and I'll be able to explain that to you in a minute. So what if I tell you there are people who are not into real estate, they're not oil mogul, they do not have, rented properties and all this, they do not do Bitcoin, all they do every day is build lists. Does that sound crazy to you? But yet they make millions of dollars each and every month. Okay, well, let me show you this. If you can come to my board right quick. So let's say you have 1 million email contacts, meaning you've been able to have 1 million people give you their email over a period of time, and the marketing standard, or rather the market standard I should say, is for each and everybody you have on your email list, you should be making $1. Okay, and you have 1 million of them. An average email converts at about 3%. So what if you send out email every month, just once a month, right? Once per month, you send out email, this 1 million to this 1 million people, and 3% of 1 million converts. What is that? Do the math. That to me seems like about 30,000. Is that what it is? Okay. So it means therefore, if you're selling, let's say $5 product to 30,000 people, 30K individuals who have been able to, who were nice enough to click on your email and click on the link, you're converting the 1 million email at 3%, 30K multiplied by $5. What do you have? 150K every month. Well, in your own case, well, maybe that's not what you're doing right now. Maybe you don't have 1 million people on your email. Maybe you don't have 2 million people. You don't even have 10,000 people. But guess what though? The journey of the 20 years, they say, start today. I'm going to show you how you can start building your email list right now. So that way, not only are you going to be able to create generational wealth from that, but also start generating what I call a recurring income from that each and every month, okay? And the way to do that is to pay attention to what I'm about to show you in this video. By the way, I have a book that I wrote called Unlimited Content Secrets. I'm going to give you the e-copy of that book for free. And I will also give you a course that I recorded, which I sold for over $997 about 2 years ago. I'm going to give it to you for free. It's called Advanced Content Monetization Secrets, where I show you rather not only how you can start building your email list, but how you can start generating a lot of income from that. So let's come back to my board if you don't mind. Here's what you do, right? And I'm going to write all of this out there depending on which platform you're using. Let's say in your own case you have a Facebook. Some of you guys are watching me on Facebook right now. You have a Facebook page. It's free to get one. You have a YouTube. Free to get one. You have Instagram. Free to get one. Instagram. I'm such a perfectionist. Free to get one is IG. You have Snapchat, whatever it is, the other ones, etc. Right? You have all of those. It's free to get one. Okay. I do not know how much followers you have on Facebook or YouTube, your IG, and the rest of them. But the question is, how many of those emails do you have on your list? or maybe none. Guess what? If you wake up tomorrow, have you ever heard of the term called Facebook jail? Facebook jail. That is when Facebook shuts you down. They don't want you on their platform no more. And what happens? 500,000, whatever people that you have on here, you lose them just like that. All the effort you put into building that followership is gone. YouTube, they don't like your face there no more. They shut you down. Facebook, gone. YouTube, gone. IG, gone. All of these things gone. And your 1 million friends from all these platforms that you used to connect with, when you drop your content, they're all gone. Why? And you start crying because you failed to start building lists. My friend, what I want to show you today is how you can convert the traffic that you are on, which is your Facebook traffic, your Facebook followership, your IG, your YouTube, how you can convert that to the traffic that you control. So even if any one of these people shut you down, you're never ever going to lose your followership, and that way you're still going to have income. And if you've not already started generating income, you can start generating income from that. And that is why I've written a book called Unlimited Content Secrets, which I'm going to give you the e-version rather of the book, so that you can take it with you wherever you go and read it. That book shows you step by step how to start converting all of this traffic from your followership on social media to people that give you their email address, so you can start sending them email. And if you have something to sell to them, you can start doing that as well. Along with that book, I'm also giving you a course that I sold for over $997. I'm going to give it to you for free because, listen, this is one of the biggest problems people have. They're so much in a hurry to create content, but they do not understand how to convert their content to a lifetime currency. All right, by building digital assets. And the ways to do that is to understand how this thing works. And that is why I've written that book, Unlimited Content Secrets. And of course, the course that I sold for over $997 called Advanced Content Monetization. I'm going to give you all of that for free. Well, do not thank me yet. You can thank me later. How do you do that? Click on the link below this video, and I'm going to send that to you. Listen, do not rush. Do not rush. It's still going to be there if you get there tomorrow. Day after tomorrow, I'm not really sure, because I really only want to give this to people that are going to make use of it. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell button, of course, give me some like if you don't mind. Again, click on the link below this video so you can get my free book, Unlimited Content Secrets, and the course, which I sold for over $997 for free. That's over $1,000 in value. I'm giving it out to you. If you get it today, you're lucky. Tomorrow, maybe it's going to be there for a little while. Day after tomorrow, it might be gone. And the next time you see it, it's going to be with the price. You're going to have to pay that $997 for it. I don't want that to be you, and that is why you have to click on the link below this video today. Go get that book, free ebook, all right? And you get the course for free as well, so that way you can start converting your content to currency and also start building your email list so you can create that generational online assets, whatever you want to call it, digital asset, and make money from that again and again and again. Until next time, when I see you, subscribe to my channel.